On top inside Edo today, to make Sallah waka well and dey cool for body, na Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki don take approve am, say make salary payment start for workers wey want am so that dem go fit celebrate Sallah well. We can see Governor of Edo State Godwin Obaseki don approve payment of August salary for workers wey ready to collect their salary so that dem go fit celebrate Eid-el-Kabir wey go shele next week. He give this approval for Edo State Executive Council meeting wey dem dey do every week for Government House of Benin City. Remember say civil servants for Edo State dey get their alert on the 26th of every month, and this one follow for Edo State government commitment on top workers' welfare. For statement, Special Adviser to Governor on top Media and Communication Strategy, Kruso Osage, talk say Governor wants make him workers get plenty money to do this Sallah wey dey waka come so. Osage yarn am say Edo State government know wetin their workers need, especially those ones wey be Muslims for this season, and na this one I make wey governor talk say any worker wey need him salary go get am. The only thing wey dem need to do na to write say dem need their August salary. Special Adviser yarn am say state government go continue to dey manage state resources to make sure say workers matter waka well, as this one go carry ogbonge growth and develop make e waka go far for Edo State. Na so we see this ogbonge update reach on top wetin shele for inside Edo today. On top say we can see Governor Godwin Obaseki don approve August salary for Edo State government workers. Make una no forget say this ogbonge update wey una dey get so na T Live Media na im carry am come give una. And to dey get more of this ogbonge tori, make una subscribe to our YouTube channel on top T Live Media TV. Make una comment and like all our videos. Make una still follow us for Facebook on top T Live Media. And una fit still log on to www.tlivemedia.com to dey get more ogbonge tori.